Hello students, today we are going to start new chapter unit 3 linear regression. I have sent you a pic of the basic of this unit. Please look at this and then try this example. The following information is given for their average profit in lakhs and cost of production in lakhs. Particular profit mean, friends, mean यानी average x bar. Profit, mean of profit is x bar. So first x bar is equal to 80. Mean of y first y bar is equal to 45. Standard deviation SD or Sx is equal to 8 and standard deviation of y Sy is equal to 5. You can remember one thing I have mentioned in the when covariance is given, variance taken into notice. Once again, when covariance is given, you have to consider variance. So variance of Sx is equal to x square, 8 square 64, and variance of y Sy square is equal to 5 square 25. Now third point, coefficient of regression. And when variance is given, when covariance is given, the formula of coefficient of regression is COV of xy, covariance of xy by s square. Covariance is also mentioned by 3 times: COV xy or RxY. So when Rxy or covariance is given, formula of covariance is 20.8 divided by Sx square 64. So value of B is 20.8 divided by 64. So value of B is 0.325. Now value of constant A is equal to y bar. Value of y bar is 45 minus B 0.35 into x bar is equal to 80. So 45 minus 80 into 0.325 is equal to 2.6. So 45 minus 2.6, 45 minus 2.6 is equal to 42.4. And now regression line of y on x. Formula of regression of line of y on x is equal to y cap. It is read y cap. Read y cap. A is equal to 42.4 plus B is equal to 0.325 and x. So regression line of y is equal to 42.4 plus 0.325. So this is your answer. Now same the second example. If x bar is equal to 82, y bar 180, Sx square in variance of x is 64, Sy square variance of y is 225, and correlation coefficient, value of correlation coefficient R is given. And when R is given, the formula of regression coefficient is R into Sy by Sx. So when covariance is given, you have to consider variance. And when correlation of coefficient R is given, you have to take standard deviation, friends. So first mean x bar 82, y bar 180. Standard deviation, you have to take standard deviation because correlation coefficient R is given. So standard deviation Sx is equal to root of 64. Sx square is given. So when you have to find out standard deviation, take the root of this. So 64 under root of 64 is 8. And standard deviation of y is equal to under root of variance of y sy square 225. So 225 root 15. Now regression coefficient r is equal to b is equal to r into sy by sx. R is equal to 0.82 into sy 15 divided by sx 8. So 0.82 into 15 divided by 8 is equal to 1.5375. Therefore, the approximately value of V is equal to 1.54. So, now value of constant, first step, value of constant y bar 180 minus B 1.54 into x bar 82. So 180 minus 82 into 1.54 is equal to 126.28 and 180 minus 126.28 is equal to 53.72. And derivation line of y on x is equal to a 53.72 plus value of b is equal to 1.54 x. And here one step forward, find value of y when x is equal to 60. In last example only you have to find out regression line of y on x, but here you have to find out value of y. So take x is equal to 60 in this linear regression equation 53.72 plus 1.54 into 60. So 53.72 plus 60 into 1.54 is equal to 92.4. And 92.4 plus 53.72 is equal to 146.5. Two examples we have taken, and in homework you have to calculate first exercise 3.2 example 6 and exercise 3.2 example 7. Thank you. We will meet next time.